Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the questions based on direct proportion for year 7 students. Let's get started. Direct proportion. It is given that y is directly proportional to x and y is equal to 12 when x is equal to 4. Find an equation connecting x and y. The value of y when x is equal to 3 and the value of x when y is equal to 24. When they say that is directly proportional, how we are going to write it? We are going to write it as y is directly proportional to x. When they say that the y is directly proportional to x, that means x you have to write it in the numerator. So y is proportional to x. Let's put the equal to sign here. Y is equal to one constant will come up as soon as you remove the proportional sign, will be equal to kx. I need to find out the answer for k first. When y is equal to 12, we have x is equal to 4. We are going to substitute this value. Let's substitute that. When y is equal to 12, we have x is equal to 4. If we solve it, k is equal to 12 by 4. We are dividing 4 on this side. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. The value for k is 3. Let's substitute back in our equation. My equation will become y is equal to 3x. Now this is my answer for the first part. They say that find an equation connecting x and y. This is our equation, y is equal to 3x connecting x and y. Second part is find out the value of y when x is equal to 3. Let's substitute the value x is equal to 3 here. Y is equal to 3 bracket 3. I am substituting x is equal to 3 in my equation. What I am going to get? I am going to get 3 3s are 9. The value for y is 9. Let's find out the third part here. Find the value for x when y is equal to 24. We are substituting y is equal to 24 in my equation. 24 is equal to 3x. I need to solve it for x. So I'll divide this 3 on this side. X is given as 24 by 3, which is equal to x is equal to 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. When y is equal to 24, my x value is 8. These are the 3 answers for this question. Let's see the next question here. It is given that y is directly proportional to x square. What does it mean? Y is directly proportional to x square. I told you, you have to put it in the numerator. If I remove the proportional sign, I will get y is equal to kx square. I need to find out the value for k from here. What they are giving us? They are giving us when y is equal to 32, x is equal to 2. Let's substitute this here. When y is equal to 32, my x is 2 square. 32 is equal to k times 4. I need to find out the answer for k. So I'll divide this on this side. 32 by 4. My k value is 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. My k value is 8. Let's substitute back this in our equation. My equation will become y is equal to 8x square. This is my first answer, an equation connecting x and y. Let's solve the second part here. Find out the value for y when x is equal to 5. Let's substitute x is equal to 5 and get the answer for y. Y is equal to 8 times 5 square, which is equals to 8 times 25. 25 times 8 is 200. My y value is 200 if I substitute x is equal to 5. Let's see the third part here. They are saying that find out the value for x when y is equal to 72. Let's substitute that here. When y is equal to 72, I have to find out my answer for x. 72 is equal to 8x square. X square will be written as dividing 8 on this side, 72 by 8. X square will be written as 8 ones are 8, 8 9s are 72. This is equals to 9. I have to find out the value for x. That means I need to take the root of 9 on both the sides. X is equal to plus minus 3. Whenever you are taking a root, you have to put plus minus sign. When I substitute y is equal to 72, my x answer is plus minus 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye bye, everyone.